following counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California, County in Southwestern California until 6:15 p.m. PDT. At 3:15 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Borrego Springs, southeastern Anza, Borrego Palm Canyon, Highway S22 between Ranquita and Borrego Springs, Los Coyotes Indian Reservation, and Santa Rosa Mountain. Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 6:15 p.m. PDT.